Unit 3. That's Fine. Material and Lesson Plan by Marelis Evangelista, tutor Diana Constanza Cruz, Universidad Nacional Abierta y a Distancia. Today I told about of my lesson plan for adolescents and adults. First, lesson plan for adolescents. Level H2. Learning strategy, communicate, approach. Topic, modal verbs. Activity objectives. View and react critically to the music video presented. Recognize modal and their functions. Compose sentences using modals. Word asked. Reflection: have students view the music video and ask them following questions. How did the writing on the song define shoulder boulder color? What did the singer put aside for ambition? Did she regret her decision? Were there is times in your life when you regret your decision? How do you move after regretting a decision that you made? In the presentation, the teacher explained concepts. For example, modals are a special kind of auxiliary or helping verb. It is a verb that cannot work without another verb. These include can, will, must, ought, might, might, would, could, should, shall. Continue with the use of modals. 8. May, can, and could are used in polite expression. Can is used in informal conversation. Can also express ability. May and could express possibility. Example: 1. May I borrow your pencil? Yes, you may, certainly. 2. Could I borrow your pencil? Of course. 3. Can I borrow your pencil? Sure. The letter B. Must, has to, and have to. Two are used to express a stronger necessity. The expression have got to is informal. Example: 1. If you want to study in college, you must take a college admission test. 2. If you want to study in college, you have to take a college admission test. 3. If you want to study in college, you have to take a college admission test. C. Modals verbs don't have to and need to. Express lack of necessity, must not express provision. Example: 1. Next week is called integration period. We don't have to go to the school, for we are expected to spend the period in reviewing for the final exam. 2. You needn't worry about the exam. It is usually easy. 3. We must not waste time during integration period. D. Modal should not, ought not express a range of advisability, from a suggestion to the extent or responsibility or obligation. Example: you should save more for the rainy days. You should not spend on travel. You ought to respect your parents. You ought not disrespect your parents. You shouldn't eat much before going to bed. Now I continue with the lesson plans about adults. The lesson plan of adults, the topic is the proposition of place. The learning strategy is grammar translation method. Level A1. In this lesson plan, the class description of what is the student saw video clip about preposition. In the presentation, before the student saw the video, the teacher asked, what are the words used in the video clip? Introduce to them preposition. Give an example. The cat is under the table. The preposition under in Spanish meaning debajo de. The teacher showed to the classroom list of prepositions. Then will give an example each of the prepositions. For example, the 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 store is in front of the house. The beer is behind the bus. The beer is between arbors. The bear is around the bus. The bear is across from the bear. The bear is thrown the bus. The bear is next to the boy. And the bear is among the birds. Later of the teacher will ask the student to make a sentence using the preposition. In the practice while the teacher gathers her students in a group of 4, gives them a workshop on completing sentences. Before in the production, the student choose the correct preposition from the words list below to find in the blanks for each sentence. For example, I ride my bicycle to work all the way around the mountain. The student continued with the complex sentences by one. And the final, the student for a 7 post solve the following link and then to realize the test online.